This is Kelley from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here to show you how to do a crocheted cast on. And this cast on is a loose, unsubstantial cast on, which works great when you need to do seaming later on. And if you've ever done the provisional cast on using scrap yarn with a crochet hook, this crochet cast on is done exactly the same way, but instead of using scrap yarn, you're using your working yarn. So let's get started. We leave to a 6 to an 8 inch tail and do a slip knot. Then we take the slip knot and put it onto our crochet hook and snug it up. Not too tight, because you have to be able to work with it. And if you make your knot too tight, it's difficult. So I have placed my working yarn in the back of the needle, and I am going to yarn over my crochet hook and bring it through that slip knot. And I'm going to continue in the same manner until I want 6 stitches on my needle, so I'll stop after 5 stitches, and then I'll show you how to complete. So I have 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to take this last loop that's on the crochet hook and just place it straight on the needle. And if you'll look very closely, I now have 6 stitches, and this is what that crochet cast on looks like when it's complete.